1 week from today, the Ontario government will table its next budget. Health is the largest part of that budget, so today CHCH News spoke with health advocates across the province who are calling for more funding to alleviate the staffing crisis. Danielle DeGraw reports.
Our message is simple. Properly fund our hospitals.
Jillian Watt is the president of CUPE Local 7800 in Hamilton. According to Watt, the province's funding structure is to blame for a $25 million deficit, preventing it from hiring new staff to improve wait times. With the new provincial budget coming next week, Watt is calling for an 8% increase in funding over the next 5 years. This, she says, will properly fund and stabilize our area hospitals.
The impact on patients, the wait times, the excessive wait times for diagnostic services, the ER wait times. We're looking at hallway health care, which is horrendous.
Watt says all these factors set a clear picture in regards to staffing. Doris Grinspun, CEO of Registered Nurses Association of Ontario, agrees. Grinspun says home care nurses and primary care nurses get significantly lower pay than those that work in hospitals. Pay parity is a top priority for the RNAO.
Not only we want to increase compensation across all sectors, we also want to make sure that we have more RNs and more nurse practitioners working, so the workload gets spread around more better.
Children bear the brunt of the stresses of economic impacts that affect parents.
Children's Mental Health Ontario advocates for increased funding for community mental health services. With their staff being paid 23% less than hospital staff, they say there's a high turnover rate on a much-needed service. They would like to see $142 million allocated in next week's budget over the next 3 years. This to increase pay and retain staff.
Even if kids are able to get service and if there is someone in place there, the process of having to retell your story, re-engage with a new provider, build trust and build relationships is really hard.
The 2025 Ontario budget will be tabled next Thursday, May 15th, and CHCH will be there with full team coverage. Danielle DeGraw, CHCH News, Hamilton.